want to read right now because I am I'm actually eating. But I just want to show you guys the view because you deserve the same view. You gotta be. I'm having lunch by myself. My coworker, she didn't bring her lunch, so she has to go buy lunch. I was tempted. I wanted something, but I brought my lunch, so I'm gonna eat my lunch instead of spending money. I really wanted some Pepsi, to be honest. Can you see the ocean? This is how I have my lunch every day, guys. Every day. I don't even want to go home anymore. God is so good to me, guys. God is so good to me. I just pray. I pray every day. I pinch myself to see if it's real. God is so good. You have to pray. You can't get tired of praying. You got to pray all the time. Like me, I pray throughout the day. I pray throughout the day. Every time I think of God, I start praying. I thank God for whatever He has done for me, even what I haven't acknowledged because of my busy life. And I ask for forgiveness. But I'm having lunch, and it's not about me today. It's about whomever is out there. Sometimes it's men, sometimes it's women that are in relationships, or they're going in and out of relationships, and they're making bad choices for relationships. The men are not the right one they should be with, or the women, but they don't love themselves to choose the right one. So you might see this beautiful young lady with a beautiful soul, yet she's with this thug, this someone that's not deserving who she is. And it has nothing to do with the person that she chose to be with. It has to do with her making better choices. You have to love yourself, ladies and gentlemen, before you enter relationship. Hi, how you doing? I'm at lunch. I'll show you a little view of me, and you're going to go. This is my lunch. Chicken. My mom made it. Yams and green banana. But you get to see the ocean. Yeah, so I just want to, you see, at some point you got to grab yourself and say, what am I doing? Why am I choosing these guys? What is wrong with me? I need to fix me first. I need to spend time with me first. I need to find me before I enter in relationships, because then I will end up with the wrong people, and I know what that's like because I was in the wrong relationship for years. And before I entered the relationship, I loved me and I knew what I deserved. but it was beaten out of me, like taking every strength out of me. And I kept fighting because I was always that person that loved me and knew how great I was and what I deserved. And I kept fighting until God, I prayed and I asked a pastor to pray for me. I went to his church, and I'm telling you, something came over me that I feared no one. And I realized that my life mattered and my children deserve a mom. I don't want to die when they were young. I wanted to be around. It took prayers and it took a fight for me. So you got to love yourself, ladies, before you enter a relationship, because you will lose yourself. If you don't love you when you enter those relationships, it's just going to drain you until you become someone else. And some survive, some don't, to be honest. Thank you for the 2 thumbs up. I appreciate it, guys. I usually don't go live at this time, but I wanted to show you the ocean while I was eating. Yeah, I don't know what I did, why my views are down again. YT, what did I do? Please tell me. I've been so nice to you guys. Yeah. Oh, thank you, YT. Thank you for the love. But yeah, I'm telling you guys, it's so important. There's so many women have lost their life because they didn't love themselves. You can't just blame whoever they're with. We have to take accountability, and it is where we say, I was wrong to choose that person. I was wrong to not stick to my standards. Hi, Teresa. Thanks for clicking on the live, Teresa. I appreciate you. Can you see the ocean? It's beautiful, huh? It's peaceful out here. It's calm. It's a little bit windy. Stick around and I'll show you guys more. And if you haven't visited, if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe. It's free. Here's my food. It's almost done, guys. Look. See? This is green bananas. Chicken. Looks all healthy. I gotta fix my obesity. So I gotta eat healthy. No more rice. A little rice, not a lot. Not the way how we eat rice. I need to eat quarter of that portion. Yep, I'm eating my mom's fried chicken. Look, let me show you. My mama fried chicken. Mmm, yummy. Mmm. Ain't nobody have a better fried chicken than my mama. My mom cooked great. Mmm. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Mm-hmm. Thank you. Mmm. It's so good. It's well cooked. Not seen any blood and all that stuff. Real food. This is from my mama. See? That's another thing. You all need to love your parents. Be good to them. And yes, they're bad parents. We're not focusing on the bad, focusing on positive, good people. Mm, it's so good, guys. It's my mom food. It is good. That's one thing I'm happy about. Growing up, I had two parents that were good in the kitchen. My mom was great, and my dad, he was good with seafood. Hmm. So I had two parents that were good in the kitchen, but my mom was great. And when I went out, I wouldn't eat. I don't eat at anyone's house. Because my mom food was so good, it was hard for me to eat bad food. I always say, I want to go home. I never, I remember I didn't even drink soup from people. And it was my ex that took me to the restaurant and he was like, drink the soup. He hated buying food for me because everything I said no. Yeah, I'm like, no, I don't want it. Because I just love my mom food. Hmm. It is good. My mommy makes the best food. See the water? There are people out there, and it's not that warm. It's like in the 60s, but they're out there. Can you see them? One person working out. That's what I need to do on Saturday. Work out at the beach. Live. What's on my plate? I am eating, well, just got done with the chicken. This was fried chicken. This is yams and green banana. I'm trying to eat healthy, guys. So that's it for lunch. I'm at work. Oh, y'all got in trouble. Y'all being rude. Y'all being naughty. Y'all don't believe in Nightbot. Nightbot works. This food is good. My hands, when you see my hands get dirty, you know the food is good. You know the food is good when your hands get dirty. Hopefully I can lose some weight in 2026. Who wants to lose some weight? Who wants to get healthy? I need to lose like 60 pounds. Bless you. I'm gonna try to work out first, and if that don't work, I'm about to do one of those shots. Thank you for the 4 thumbs up. I appreciate it. Want to see more? There's the ocean. food combo do you love? I like, oh my God, I, I was addicted to Chick-fil-A. I'm just trying to do better now. But I was addicted to Chick-fil-A for sure. Mm, this is a weird food combo that I'm eating. Yams with green banana. And it's not Caribbean yams, it's American yams. I'm full already. Just need some Pepsi. I need Pepsi to stay up. I have 5 more hours at work. Ooh, the beach look better on the other side. Yeah, I think it looks better on the other side. Looks like someone is out there in the water. Why are they so brave? Is that someone or all the way out there? Yep, lunch was good, guys. I think there is someone out there. There gotta be a person or a whale or something. You see that the waves all the way in the middle? I think that's someone out there. Why are they out there like that? They're not afraid of sharks or something? Can you see them? They're all the way in the middle. Rice with chocolate. Interesting. I've never heard of that one. That beats. And I had a cousin, I remember when he was little, he would eat ketchup on everything. He would eat the eggs with ketchup, rice with ketchup, everything he had to add the ketchup on there. Says weird food combo you love. What weird food? Yes. Rice with chocolate. That's a good idea. It's actually a good idea. We should mix it and try banana with ketchup. Ugh. You have some good ones. You have some good ones. I think there's someone out there. It gotta be someone out there in the middle. Or that's a whale or something. If someone is making those waves. I see a boat all the way out. Let me see if you can see it. There's the boat. It's all the way out. It's all the way out. You see the boat? It's out there somewhere. Yes, that's why I like showing you guys. It's relaxing. This is where I have my lunch every day. It's relaxing. It's very relaxing. Oh, I hope you. Well, I do have quite a few videos with the view. You can check my live. I'm gonna also do videos of the ocean. So make sure to subscribe so you can see it, the view. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to like make calming songs. Yes, like make calming songs for the video and the ocean, like something that can relax you, help you to meditate. Yeah. I hope your day gets better. You know, pray. Pray and spend time with yourself thinking of positive things. What I can do great, what can I do better? And believe in yourself. Thank you. Yes, believe in yourself. Believe in you. Believe that you can do whatever it is. And know that it's okay to love you and let go whatever is not good for you. That's the key. I know it's hard. It's hard to let go of things, especially when It's always there. It's hard, but it takes prayers. You got to pray for the strength you need, pray for the faith you need to believe in you. Yes, you got to pray while you're taking the actions. Prayers work. I would not be sitting here looking at this beautiful ocean view if I didn't believe in praying, not giving up, and know I deserve better. So believe in you. Okay. All right. I will see you on the next live. Just here for 30 minutes. So peace and love. Have a wonderful day. Believe in yourself and trust. Yes. All right. Peace and love. Look at the beautiful ocean. Wow. Life is great. Oh, what a peaceful moment. All right. I hope you have a great day. One love.